Hello. Yeah, so welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remain the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Yeah, and I welcome my new subscribers to your fresh and new episode on my channel. Yeah, so yesterday I did my training, so I lost my voice, but still I have to be here and teach my students. Yeah, so today I'll be showing you how you can withdraw your USDT because a lot of people are finding it difficult to withdraw USDT or to even sell USDT. Yeah, so I want to show you. So first of all, I'll be using Eversend. Yeah, so I'll go to more. So there are some things I have to explain to you. Yeah, we have a way of withdrawing the money. People think that withdrawing, let me go this way. So I've already taught my students how they can withdraw their USDT. Yeah. So people think that withdrawing USDT means that it's only this, like if you click on it and it comes this server is not, although last month this server was there and you can use to what withdraw the money, but like it just went off and it will be back like before next month. Yeah, that's what their support team told us, that it will be back when like they are doing some small maintenance. Because like let me like show something. At first, when you go to trade and you go to buy USDT, you see one USDT is equal to us 11.99, but in the market the USDT was 11.64. So it's supposed to mean that if you want to buy one USDT, you have to what, spend 11.64. But because they know that right now people, like I'm teaching a lot of people, but these people are making money over here, so they are what, trying to make their thing like very hard. So we are forced a lot of complaint for them to take a like to work on it, because like yo, you said 11.64 is the rate for one USDT. So, and one thing is like if you're selling the USDT, see this thing, they will give you 11.61, 11.6 what, 1. Meanwhile, on like in the market, the rate is what, the rate is 11.64. So why are you giving me selling 11.61? So they are doing what, maintenance. That is why they don't want you to what, withdraw your USDT right now, because they want to finish everything so that what, you will benefit it. Yeah. So I want to show you how you can sell your USDT and receive the money straight to your dollar account. So that's how you do it. We will go to trade. So when I'm buying, I can choose to buy it with what, with dollars. I can choose to buy it with what, dollars, with dollars. So let's say if I want to buy 100 USDT, one USDT is equal to what, 100 and 1.02. So if I'm buying 100, that means I'm not even getting 100 USDT. I'm getting 98 point what, 48. They want to what, get money from it. And like when this thing came, it wasn't like this. That one, I'll tell you, this one like this, but they are working on it. Yeah, so you can, and still their rate is very cheap than comparing to some platform. Their rate is way cheaper. Their rate is way cheaper. Yeah, it's way cheaper. Yeah. So after buying it, so since we are in Ghana, like I deposit through Ghana cedis. So let's see, if I'm buying 1,000 Ghana cedis, I'll be getting what? I'll be getting 83.37. Yeah, 83.37. 83.37. And I bought it in the rate of what? 11.99. So you have to remember that if you are selling it, you have to sell it more than 11.99. Yeah. So let me show you the reason why I deposit 103.61. So I sold 100 USDT on Binance. Yeah, I hope yesterday I showed you. And I got 1,245. And when I took that 1,245 here, I was able to what, buy 103 USDT. So meaning if the withdrawal process like come, I'll withdraw 103.61, meaning I've made 3.61 interest. Have you seen it? I've made what? 3.61 interest for just like loading the money without me going to Pax4 to do any trade. Yeah, I spent 100 USDT on Binance. The money I sold it, I put the money in Eversend, and I got 103.61. So if I withdraw the USDT, that means I'm making 3.61. But the withdrawal method will be back within a week. Yeah, that's what they told us. Yeah. So this is how you sell it. So you click on sell, then you go to mostly I will not advise you to sell it through your Ghana cedis. I will not advise you to do that. No. I will not advise you to do that. I will advise you to sell it to your, since the USDT withdrawal method is not working, sell it to your USD, your bank account, because the USDT and the USD is the same. Despite the USDT comparing to the USD, the difference is 0.02, 0.02. Yeah, so I advise you to sell it to your USD. So if I'm selling it to my USD, I'll get $102.08. I hope you have seen it. I'll get $102.08. So if I click on continue, that means I'm transferring USDT to man USD, and I'll get 102.08. So if the dollar rise up, I'll sell it, I'll make interest without even going to Pax4 to sell to anyone. You see, yeah, because before you can go to Pax4, unless the withdrawal method is what is functioning, you see, yeah. So if you deposit money over there, you click on withdraw, it will come for you to what, to send your address to Pax4 and do it. But if it's not doing this, how you make the money? You will go to Binance or any platform, sell your USDT over there, the money will get, or this how you do it. The money will get, because like if right now Binance, the rate is 12.24 for one USDT. The rate is 12.24. You see, so when you send it over here, you exchange it, you will get what, you get some profit from it. But let's pray that the withdrawal method will come. Cause like yo, it's like it was in, because like yo, I've been withdrawing some money, and this one is not even my main account. I deposited this money to teach my students. Yeah, you see that thing. Yeah, so it's working. It's working. It's really working. So you don't have to pay attention to people that yo, like it's not, it's working, bro. It's working. It's really what, it's really working. Yeah, I will not lie to you. It's really working. So let's pray that within this week or next week, it will be active for us to withdraw our USDT to make profit. Yeah, you saw that thing. Yeah, for us to do everything. Because like me, so if it's not working, how will I even deposit 1,000 USD, like 1,000 Ghana cedis in my USDT? Like if I know that the withdrawal is not working, how will I, like, yo, I will not be cheap to deposit that money in my USDT, that knowing that the withdrawal method is not working. So why did I even post, like even invest 1,254, knowing that if I want to sell it over here, I will get 1,205, meaning I've lost almost I've lost almost 40 cities. I will not do that. I hope you understand. I will not do that because I know the withdrawal method was working. I knew it was working. You see, so if you can withdraw it over here, you can exchange your USDT. If you need your money urgently, if you need a profit urgently, you can withdraw the money to your USD. Then you exchange to Ghana cedis and make profits and what, and you withdraw to your mobile money. But for me, I'm waiting for the USDT to pop up to withdraw my 103 and go to Paxful and sell it. You see that then? Yeah. That is what, like I told my paid students yesterday that online businesses at times it's machine. It can mess up, but you have to what, have patience. You have to have patience. Don't rush in some things. You see, it's time. So you don't normally have to write that, oh, you it's doing it, it's so let me do them. No, 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 no. You have to be cool because the money is still in the account. It's not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. You see? So you have to be cool with it. Yeah. But if you're not cool and you want to withdraw it, you can sell it. Yeah, you can sell it. You can sell your USDT and you get 1,202. But me, I invested 1,245. So if I sold it, I've lost 43 cities, and I'm not ready to make any losses. Now I'm not ready to do it. Yeah. So 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 let's wait so that the thing will come. But if you want to withdraw it, please, I will not advise you that you have to withdraw to your Ghana cedis. Nah, because the Ghana says it can, like, you'll not make any profit from it. But if you withdraw the money to your USD account, if the USD goes up, at least if you exchange it to Ghana cedis, you'll make profit. You see. So let's say if the USD right now is 11.99, if you go to 12 point something, you can exchange it to Ghana cedis and you make a profit from it. So if you're withdrawing your money, I will not advise you to withdraw to any local account like your Naira account. Now, I'm not advising you to do that. I will advise you to withdraw to your USD account so that when you're withdrawing the money, you can wait for the rate to shoot up small, then you get a profit from it. If not that, you are making losses. And me, I'm not ready to make any losses. You see that then? That is why I'm showing you this simple trick. You see, but if you can wait, you can also wait for the USDT withdrawal method to come, then you withdraw your money and go to Pax4 and sell it. And I saw some higher, I saw some like some comments yesterday that people were saying that, like, the Pax4, the people put higher rates over there so that they will get enough customers, and then that's a lie. That's a lie. So if you put higher price over there and I negotiate with you and you say that you're buying it 10, I will not buy it. Is it that 10? That's a lie. That's a lie. The rate over there is the rate they are selling their things. That's how it is. If you go to Binance, everybody have its own rate. So if you click on it, then you're ready to sell your USDT to the person. That's how it is. We don't say that we have to negotiate. You give me this, you give me that. Nah, nah, nah. That's a lie. That is a lie. That's a lie. That's a lie. That is a lie. That is a lie. So at times you don't have to always pay attention to the comments. Some people are, they are also YouTubers and they are eye read. You say that they, yeah, they are eye read. So like, you know how some black people behaves. Yeah. If they tried and it's not working for them, they have to be humbled. They have to humble themselves. Come to us and we'll charge them and train them. They'll be also, yo, bro, you will not make money, bro. You will not make money. So that's how you can what, sell your USDT without making any losses. But me, so I'll advise you that if you have deposits, or if you have buy, or if you have a huge USDT, please wait small, because the withdrawal, it was there and it went off because their system is not functioning well. Because like, if I click on trade and buying, the USDT rate over there is different from here. Let me go to Ghana cities. You see, it's different from here. You see, right now it's 11 cities. You see, the system is messing up. It's messing up. You see, it's messing up. That's why they are working on it. That you have to wait more. So you can even contact their support team and they will tell you that it will come back later. So you have to wait small. So I advise you to wait small and it will come back later. So I think this video is very educative and it's very informative too. Yeah, because a lot of people are finding difficult to withdraw their money and people think that blah 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 blah. So that's why I've shown you this video. So if you want to withdraw it or sell it, or if you want the money urgently, then I would advise you not to sell it through your like your Ghana account. Sell it through your USD account so that you will not make any losses. So if you sell it to your USD account, then you wait for, let's say, a day. So the dollar shoots up, then you exchange it to Ghana cedis and you make profit from it. So that's how you do it. And I think it will help you. I'm out.